The FDA is requiring Pfizer to continue post-market safety studies of the new drug called Comirnaty, including a possible increased risk of heart inflammation in the week following the second dose. I should say it's the old drug, new name. More common side effects include fever, pain, and headache.
So like we mentioned, this FDA approval is for people 16 years and older. It is still under emergency use authorization for those 12 to 15. Trials are still happening for younger children.
Okay, for a better understanding of how today's announcement, what it means moving ahead, we have Dr. Timothy Albertson joining us right now. And this is great because Dr. Albertson is the leading physician for the Pfizer vaccine trial at UC Davis Health. So Doctor, thank you so much for joining us. Really appreciate it.
You're actually in the lab.
Thank you, Dustin.
You're in the lab right now, Doctor?
I'm in the clinic right now.
Wow.
So, okay, first of all, sorry for butchering the new name of the vaccine, Comirnaty. But tell us what your thoughts are about this announcement today.
Well, this is huge. This is a huge advancement. People really have been waiting to hear that this is no longer, quote, experimental, although 100+ million in the United States and almost 1 billion worldwide people have gotten it. This is a huge move that will help perhaps encourage people now to get the vaccine.
When do you think we could see full FDA approval for teens, for those over the age of 12?
I would suspect that would happen pretty quickly because they have the data. There's still an administrative bureaucratic process that has to be gone through. In addition, we've got permission to give a third dose for immunocompromised people. And our study continues to look at the original heroes who signed up early on about a year ago. And a group of them are getting a third dose or placebo to see what the effects are in healthy adults.
Yeah, and so let's talk a little bit more about that third dose, the booster, as it were, and you're part of the booster trial that's going on. So for the regular folks out there who maybe aren't immunocompromised, but they would like to get that booster shot, talk about how that's going so far and what they can expect.
So far, it's going great. We are collecting data every month, looking at the incidence of infection and the effect of that booster on their antibody levels to spike protein. I suspect they'll have some information in the next several months on that also. Things seem to be moving pretty quickly now.
All right, Dr. Albertson, thanks for taking time out of your schedule to be with us and answer questions. We appreciate it.
Thank you.